Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've posted, but I'm back. And I'm going to be doing a Japanese box. Like I'm going to be trying Japanese snacks or whatever. Bought it off Amazon. So I will talk and explain more about it when I get to it. Alright guys, we're going to do... Oh my god. Okay guys, we're going to be doing... This is the snack box. It's on Amazon for like 20. I got this from Amazon. It was only like $25. They have, I'm not even gonna go get it. They have a lot of other different types of boxes that you can go look at, and inside it came with a card, and then it came with some gift cards and stuff. So we'll see.
There you are.
Yeah. So these are all the different boxes you can get. Card. Yeah. And then it comes with this card. Shogun candy. Then it also has...
I thought it said shotgun. I ain't gonna lie.
Shogun.
I forgot the T.
Yeah. I think so. It also has all the stuff inside, everything on here. Okay, so I told him to close his eyes and pick a random one, and he picked this one. And this one is... Toma. It's the biscuits with sesame seeds. Asparagus biscuits with sesame seeds.
Yep. They look like little breadsticks.
Okay, we gotta open. Man, it doesn't really smell. It just smells like normal chips.
Yeah, they just smell like pretzels, but different. They look like pretzels.
That's how they look like.
They look...
Pick what you want.
What?
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Well, harder than I thought. Oh.
Not bad.
Yeah.
I actually like them.
I've had them before. What it tastes like. You know what they taste like? Nutella breadstick with the pretzel.
I see that because it's kind of sweet.
Amazing.
Okay. I closed my eyes and I picked out this one. So I'm really scared for it because I actually had some. I don't know. I obviously opened the box. I had a little bit yesterday. And there was one I did not like. So this one is the Kabayaki Santaro. Exquisite crispiness Kabayaki. A type of teriyaki flavor.
Ooh, teriyaki, actually. That's not bad. I like teriyaki.
You want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
Try on light.
Oh my god.
Why is it so hard? You like it?
It's hard.
You like it?
I don't, it doesn't really have, like... It's like I'm eating cardboard.
And it tastes horrible. So he picked these ones. I already tried them, so he's gonna try them. These are actually not bad. They kind of taste like popcorn to me. They are the Kamidea crisp soy sauce flavor rice snack with roasted peanuts.
They look like banana. Oh.
No?
That's weird.
They just taste like, I feel like they just taste like kettle corn.
Yeah.
You see it?
They're really hollow and
Just
inside.
kettle corn.
What's the nut? Is it just a...
It's just a nut, Logan.
I got nut in it.
The next one is this one, which has some sort of juice going around.
Awesome.
This one is called Saudako Santaro, sour octopus flavor. Ew, you open it. You open it. Leave her alone. You're opening that.
It tastes like salt and vinegar, or it smells like salt and vinegar chips.
Oh, it does.
I don't mind salt and vinegar. So.
Okay.
Here you go.
It. No, it
Go ahead.
smells...
You didn't even. She didn't even.
It's just a little scary.
She's better.
He's gonna.
Is she actually? I think May likes the smell.
Okay, so he's gonna try it because he's so hungry. You like it?
It's not as bad as you made it seem like.
Okay, I don't. It freaks me out.
I don't know. It doesn't taste like seafoody. I don't know what octopus tastes like, but it's not like that bad.
He likes octopus, clearly.
Okay.
Now we're gonna try this one. This is grilled scallop fish, I think I said. Yeah. Grilled scallop wings.
Sounds awesome.
Smells normal. Nothing. Yeah.
I don't smell anything.
Yeah, I don't really know.
What is it? What the fuck?
Oh, it's a lot.
It looks like a dog treat.
Actually, I'll share that one with you. It just kind of smells like a dog treat.
I don't know how to even.
Just.
Oh, bet. Oh, it's like a stale. It tastes fishy. Get that out of your mouth. Oh.
Okay, so this is the next thing that he chews. I believe these are like. I believe these are they're milk bolo, melt in the mouth biscuits. So it sounds like it's raining.
That's what I said
Crazy
earlier.
outside.
It seems like it, but.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, shiesty a bit. I saw something.
You still have that?
Yeah, I don't know. It just sits there.
Looks like that.
Yeah. Ow. Oh, those are so weird. I want to see if I can just dissolve one in my mouth.
They kind of just taste like sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, that's so weird. I don't know.
You can dissolve it in your mouth. Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't know you were on. The next thing is this. Yakitara shredded baked codfish. I don't think that would be bad, right?
No, it sounds terrible. I hate fish.
Well, you're gonna try it. If you want to, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, that's really fishy. Okay, you opened it.
Okay, yeah.
Look at how muscular my knee looks.
There's a ton of these. I don't here. They look like potato sticks. Is that what they are?
Okay.
Fine. We'll eat it. Fine. All right.
No, I was okay. It's okay. I wanted to share.
Oh, they're stale.
Huh.
It doesn't really taste like fish.
I don't want to taste like anything.
It's just kind of like a stale
It tastes like a potato.
chip. Yeah, I don't know. It's not my
bad.
favorite.
So, next thing is this. Took the paper.
You saw that. You saw that.
No, I didn't.
I'm okay.
This is a wasabi norutaro. Wasabi soy sauce flavor with a zing. So, I wish you had like scissors so I could just cut it down.
Yeah, unfortunately I don't have knives. No, I don't trust you with a knife.
You're trying it first.
Did you explain it already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Show them how it
Oh, it all has like the same, like, I don't know, cardboard consistency. Blaster, fuck off. It's like,
Ugh. I mean, it don't taste bad actually, but
it doesn't taste bad, it's just hard.
it's not my favorite.
They all just taste hard.
Alright.
What are we trying?
These spicy potato chips, it's literally what they're called.
That.
Or no, they're called caramucho.
Same shit.
Caramucho. Caramucho. Alright.
Caro mucho. Oh, mucho mango. I know that.
Might be the best one yet. Just smells like.
It just smells like potato sticks.
You shouldn't even be eating it. Oh.
Gimme.
No.
Get.
They taste good.
What?
Not even spicy either.
Oh, okay.
So you can eat some. They're good, right?
Those are good.
I gotta go to Japan for these.
Oh, yeah, those are good. Not bad.
These are worth it,
It
guys.
tastes like barbecue chips. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
But like a good one. Like
Yeah, these are.
Stop eating them.
The next thing is this plum thing.
How are we gonna see that?
We bite it.
Oh,
Bite it when you bite the
I
other.
hope it's soft.
It's squishy.
Oh, there you go.
It's called Kari Kari Plum. Crunchy tart plum. I apologize if I'm not pronouncing these right. But, okay.
Oh. I don't know if I like plums, so.
Alright, try it. You have to eat the skin. It's not how the plum tastes like.
Oh, that's so ass.
Alright, not our favorite, that's for sure.
That was the worst thing I've tasted. That was so bad.
We have 3 more here. And you can pick the next one. I'm actually excited for that one.
Like a rice
Besides
bowl.
this one, I'm so
I
excited.
feel like these are real common.
Okay. It's a sugar rusk flavored corn snack, and it's called
Whoa.
Umaibo?
I feel like this is gonna be messy.
Umaibo? Oh, wow. Oh, it smells good.
Go for it. Well, no, not really.
That's not as bad as I thought. It's actually good. It's good. Yeah, rice.
I recommend that. That's good.
Yeah, 10. We should have rated these.
Yeah, probably.
Whatever.
Maybe.
Next things are these.
It's a Yan.
Yeah. Yayan Tusik
You can buy them at Walmart.
Tusikabo. Dipped stick cookies in the chocolate cream and eat it.
It's just a Nutella stick, I would assume.
But it has another thing
Whoa,
here.
what's that? That's new.
Okay. Oh, it's not broken, so I feel like a lot of this stuff is like broken, you know? A lot of the sticks are.
Yeah, it says something on it, but I can't read it.
Can't read it either. So, I believe you put it inside the chocolate and then you dip it in
I would assume, yeah.
whatever that is.
Oh, it's like...
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, they don't give you a whole lot of this stuff. Alright.
Ready?
I'll...
Oh. It tastes normal.
I don't taste like the things you add on to it.
It just adds more crunch.
I don't know.
I think it's good.
Not bad.
I bet it was gonna be good.
You can buy them anyway.
Okay, and I'm so excited for this one because I've always wanted to try it when I was younger. Here, showcase it.
Looks
That.
pretty cool. There's a bunch of instructions
It's
on the back.
needle whatever. Flavored powder became sticky candy. Rarume flavor. Probably didn't say it right. I deeply apologize. We do have a whole bunch of steps to go through.
There's a lot.
Oh yeah. So this is what it comes with. It's 1, 2, 3. It's for the steps.
Oh, it's gonna be so shaky. Oh my. I'm not good at this.
Yeah. So the first thing we have to do is we have to pour this packet in here. Yeah.
Oh, actually, I should probably say it like that.
So you just put everything in here, right?
A lot of powder. Yeah.
It's a lot of powder. Can't put that up there. And then the measuring cup thing. Just add water.
I don't know what
that.
5 cc is, but hell yeah.
Yeah, and then you just start mixing it. Now everything is mixed together. All we have to do is add this, and I believe this is like the color changing packet. That's what it said. Open very easily, which I'm so happy about. And then we just pour in here. There you go. And we would add this until it changes color. And it says when it changes color, then that means it's ready to eat.
I think it's supposed to be purple.
Purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So everything is done. It literally looks like it's like literally such a sticky consistency. Like it's, you know. So I'm pretty sure you have to just grab some with the spoon. And you just add it into the candy.
Look like little sweet tart things. I don't know.
You eat it first.
Oh.
Is it good or bad?
That's pretty good.
Really sour.
Yeah, a little bit. May want to.
Say hi, Meg.
She did. I mean, I kind of forced her to, but she did.
Yeah.
That's good.
I'd say I like this the most. Not more.
Oh. I like it.
It's definitely this one. The spicy potato chips. And the chocolate.
It tastes like you ever get the little soda can and they have those fizzy candies. That's it. It's good.
This is good. Well, thank you guys for watching. That's the rest of this. Do have to tell you something though.
That was good.
I purposely saved this for last. I knew he wasn't gonna do it with me. What's that noise in here?
What?
Oh, the chips. All right, it's okay. So, oh, there you go. Some horrible tasting snacks are included.
Oh.
That you won't find outside of Japan, nor will you want to. That is so true.
So it told you it's gonna give you some shitty ass.
Yeah, but I didn't know that until yesterday.
Oh.
I didn't do this on purpose.
Okay.
So I did eat some yesterday, and I was on my dad's channel. Yeah, Raw and Attic. And I was reading this at the end, like at the back, and I was like, oh my god, it's supposed to, like, half of these are literally supposed to be nasty tasting snacks. And I did not know that.
Yeah. To be honest, only a few of them
Look
were
at
like,
all the chips.
that was your fault. Only a few of them were like terrible. Like that plum, that was terrible.
Anyway, potato chips are good.
Yeah, she keeps getting them.
I would say I definitely recommend this box. It was very cheap, cheaper than, you know, the others that I've seen. They get really expensive. And for the amount that came in, it was pretty good.
Yeah, that was a pretty decent amount of them.
16 came. Yeah, 16 snacks came in this little box.
How much was it? Like 20?
$25, $26. Go get it on Amazon now. Thanks for watching. Called Shogun Candy. All the different types of boxes.
Yeah, cool.
Till next time, subscribe, like. Can you hype it up?
Yeah.